Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you some feedback from the first assessment. It was all very well done overall. For the quiz, it's probably best just to check the formatting guides. For the written assessment, just be careful when rearranging equations. It does seem like you have to remember to keep some of the order of equations in mind, such as making sure you do the addition and subtraction and the multiplication and division in the correct order, and that you divide or multiply through every term when you're doing that kind of thing. One thing I did notice with those equations is a number of you did change the letters. This isn't really good practice. If it's a capital B, leave it as a capital B. If it's a small u, leave it as a small u. This is because you'll find equations in physics where letters have actual specific meanings. So if you change the letter, that will mean that the meaning's changed. With the graphs, they were very well done overall. Some people forgot to put some titles or axes labels on, but I was impressed by the skill of most people to be able to do the Excel graphs as well. Just keep in mind, be careful when you're doing your assessments. Make sure you read the questions properly and complete the question. There's often a lot of hints and tips in the study guide, so take the notes from the study guide when you're doing your assessment and you should be fine. The next piece of assessment isn't due for a while, but that doesn't mean that you should sit back and relax. It just means that you should be starting to work through it at a nice pace, don't have to stress, and get the work done over the next few weeks. Remember that the next 4 pieces of assessment do come fairly fast. They're only a fortnight apart for each of them, and the last one is due right at the end of term, the Monday after the end of teaching. So it's really important to make sure you get all of the assessment in time so that I can mark it and get it back to you for your grades. Again, if you have any questions, just email me and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. All the best.